Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Baby Quilt Kit is probably one of the most heartwarming projects you can undertake, offering a unique blend of creativity and practicality. These kits provide everything you need to craft a beautiful, handmade quilt, perfect for welcoming a new baby or as a cherished gift. Join me as we explore the essential aspects of selecting the ideal baby quilt kit, ensuring your finished product is as safe as it is adorable. Number 5. Dimensions Tiny Treasures Baby Quilt Kit. Introducing the Tiny Treasures Baby Quilt Kit from Dimensions. This kit is perfect for creating a sweet keepsake for new parents. It's a unique and adorable gift. The kit includes cotton embroidery thread, a stitching needle, and a stamped poly-cotton baby blanket. Everything you need to get started is right here. This adorable baby blanket features cute baby animals. They surround the words, "Tiny treasures are best." Follow the printed animal cross-stitch pattern and easy instructions. You'll be able to create this cute baby gift with ease. The finished poly-cotton baby quilt measures 34 foot x 43. It's the perfect size for a baby. What we like? This kit is perfect for creating a sweet keepsake. It features adorable baby animals, making it ideal for an animal-themed nursery. If you are looking for a heartwarming gift that's easy to make, you should consider this. What people say. This is a beautiful quilt that is made with quality materials. The floss is separated and organized on a card, which makes it so easy and convenient to use. This cross-stick stamped quilt is a complete kit that comes with all the threads and one needle. You have to supply your own embroidery hoop. A single thread is made up of 6 strands. Depending on the stick, it may require 2 or 3 strands, and in some cases you may need 1 strand of one color and 2 strands of another color. Full instructions are given. The stamped pattern is erased on its first wash. This looks great when made up. Number 4. Dimensions Baby Express DIY Baby Quilt. Introducing the Baby Express Cross-Stitch Quilt Kit by Dimensions. This kit is perfect for creating a unique and memorable gift for new parents. It's a wonderful way to welcome a new baby. The kit includes everything you need to get started: cotton embroidery thread, a stitching needle, and a stamped poly-cotton baby blanket. It's designed to make the process easy and enjoyable. This adorable baby blanket features a colorful train full of happy, smiling animals. The design is printed in wash-away ink, making it easy to follow the pattern. The finished quilt measures 34 x 43, making it the perfect size for a baby. It's a keepsake that they will cherish for years to come. This whimsical stamped cross-stitched baby blanket kit creates a colorful keepsake or animal-themed nursery decoration. It's a gift that shows you care. What we like? This kit boasts a whimsical design with a colorful train of animals. The pattern is printed in wash-away ink, making it easy to follow. If you are looking for a vibrant and fun project, this is the one for you. What people say. Wonderful design and vibrant colored thread comes with it. I haven't started this one yet because I'm finishing up with the one I'm still working on. I highly recommend this item. Easy to read directions. Thread on color matched charts already. The directions were easy to follow. I love the colors and design. I am making this quilt for my granddaughter and am anxious to see my daughter's reaction when I give it to her. Number 3. Tobin Baby Quilt Kit T21747. Introducing the Tobin Baby Quilt Kit. This kit is perfect for creating a beautiful quilt for your little one. It includes everything you need to get started. The kit features a stamped pre-bound poly-cotton baby quilt. It's soft, durable, and ready for your creative touch. You'll love how easy it is to work with. Included in the kit is embroidery floss. This allows you to add personalized details to the quilt. It's a great way to make it unique. The kit comes with a needle and complete instructions. It provides guidance for every step of the process. You'll be able to create a beautiful quilt with ease. This product is proudly made in the USA. It's a testament to quality and craftsmanship. You can trust in its durability and design. What we like? This kit comes with a pre-bound quilt, saving you time and effort. It's proudly made in the USA and includes complete instructions. If you value convenience and quality, you should choose this. What people say. Took me 3 months, but the result is amazing. Beautiful. Some stenciling smeared and other missing but easy to figure out. Made this for co-worker. She loved it. Number 2. Tobin Bear's Baby Quilt Kit. Introducing the Tobin Bear's Baby Quilt Kit. This kit is perfect for creating a beautiful and unique quilt for your little one. It comes with everything you need to get started. The kit includes a 100% polyester stamped pre-finished quilt. This makes the process easier and more enjoyable. You can start stitching right away. Inside, you'll find 100% cotton embroidery floss and a needle. These high-quality materials ensure your stitches will look great. It's all you need to bring the design to life. Don't worry if you're new to cross-stitch. The kit includes a fully illustrated chart and easy-to-follow instructions. They will guide you through every step. The finished quilt will measure 34 by 43 inches, a perfect size for a baby. It's a wonderful keepsake that you can cherish for years to come. This kit is proudly made in the USA. You can be confident in the quality and craftsmanship of this product. Get yours today. What we like. This kit features a 100% polyester stamped pre-finished quilt and comes with cotton embroidery floss. It includes a fully illustrated chart and instructions. If you like a kit with detailed instructions and quality materials, you should consider it. What people say. Super cute pattern. Looks great when finished. I haven't done the quilt yet, but the quality is really good. Like that everything is included: quilt, needle, floss, easy to follow instructions, card to sort floss. Number 1. Dimensions Baby Animals Cross-Stitch Baby Quilt. Introducing the adorable Baby Animals Cross-Stitch Quilt Kit. This kit is perfect for creating a unique and memorable gift for new parents. The kit includes everything you need: cotton embroidery thread, a stitching needle, and a stamped poly cotton baby blanket. It's easy to follow along and create a beautiful keepsake. The finished quilt measures 34 x 43, a perfect size for a baby. It's a wonderful addition to any nursery, providing comfort and a touch of handmade charm. This quilt features cute and colorful safari animals. It's a delightful way to decorate a nursery or create a special gift that will be treasured for years to come. Follow the printed cross-stitch pattern to bring the colorful design to life. This project is a fun and rewarding way to create something truly special for a little one. What we like. This kit features cute and colorful safari animals. The design is easy to follow, making it a great choice for any skill level. If you like a safari-themed nursery or a vibrant design, you should consider this. What people say. This is a very fun project for me. The pattern is easy to follow and will be the perfect front for the baby quilt. Just as advertised. Thread separated and easy to use. The thread is already sorted onto color-coded card. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.